as a topic here, it's about hospitality and tourism. Yeah, it's definitely not my area of expertise in the sense to be really bottom some there, but I have enough experience. I know enough people. I've done enough research to not only other part by he sang the department we secularism he sang like oh which is take by the re assembly in a kahang media. Sadly, let me introduce myself. You've been worried with. I'm from Muivah, Songdo now. Every Iran, we bang in he fully young, the sun side. Fully young, the sun indeed. I saw the opportunity and I grabbed it and I started my own academy. Yeah, Step Academy. The objective is to go to school, come certainly. College. The problem with our region, with our society is that once you graduate, the only thing you possess is your degree, BA, BSc. That's the only thing you possess after your graduation. Skills are only go to Jila. Everyone can believe skills like you can't survive. You have BA, BSc mind about that like a salo. You will never get a job if you don't have communication skills, if you don't have computer skills, if you don't have interpersonal skills. Yeah? So what we're trying to do in our academy is that we're trying to equip our students with all of the skills. China, it's a 2 months program. We teach about 10 courses: communication skills, effective communication skills, personality development, email writing, CV da shemra, SOP da computer, personality development China ChatGPT da MS Excel da so things like that. So we've curated about 10 courses, and that's what we're teaching, and that's what our academy is doing. At the same time, I run an NGO called Step Northeast. For the last 3 years, is NGO runs Step Northeast. So that's my other job as well. As a geoscience program, we want to read the subject. Time's out. 10:25. Okay. USB folder. USB files. Okay, I just saw like hospitality management and tourism so I in a somehow with department with sector what's the answer I did my own research and I've prepared certain slides to give you an overview. A second example, yeah? Hospitality management, hotel management, hospitality management, Shaira? Kiri samai interest lay okay, Pana bhai. Are we near the interest lay by Muivah? Yeah? Hopefully, your presentation book, I interest lay so hospitality management, it has to do with obviously hospitality, yeah, tourism. Manipulation, me tourism every year, triple exact number of but in 2021 there were about 49,000 tourists that came to Manipur. In 2022 it was about 1 point some lakhs. Yeah, hotel Manipur, the hotel many like 10 years ago, hotel Malaysia. Yeah, coffee hotel the general or I think Shanghai really now getting some out of region. Low expectation and Kubangler Chico, Abuba, Ashabu Ashabalon, Yeron Salik, Ukulan Kungli, Ukuli meeting Bangli, P. Bible, Bible, the Tadan, she kind of monthly high Sunday. Yeah? Chickasaw, why not expensive? Nagan Kungli, Manipur, the sun. ashi will like that the real thing ji khaja kum hang ga manipur ukhul thai ram ji ling ga ji khaja ne shanga la ga ti ukhul ga very simple ta ba shi very simple ji ji mindset from sa ko hai and just a few years back karali ya ukhul thai la ga na ga ati na ka sha khaja je ne tai man le sai da ji ki na sang sa hospitality management ya idum we hospitality sector li Registan, Jalrio, Hotel Tajware, Ambrose Hotel, Mangan Hills, Shalom B&B, 25 degree north, Hotel Tata, Tajware, Cafe, Shins Cafe, Cornerstone, downtown, Whitley, Ningma. Look, short man later, he will show him reason subject. So basically, he was sectorally, what sort of living, you need hospitality management, hotel management, with background living, what sort of living. Yeah? In a hotel model, hotel training book visa, hotel with training visa, let's say hotel camp does customers luggage. I don't know if you room like Lajiga Manghana training they do. I lay ya from my right. Talapan Yego, Niparana, Ningla. Then a hotel salad salads, simple salad hotel salad. A hotel room like all the Pomada or Ishimjali, room he get clean, get to me, or better he TV explain the talent professionally some Yego, maybe here, a public hardship. Yeah? So hospitality management is everything about that. So hospitality management hotel not about the salad thing home. For example, a ring, house services. Ningla. This is also a part of hospitality management. Catering suddenly. Everybody house services na ito may bilhin tiyak ko sa kaya. At ang nabaliba, engagement sa age law, sabza age law. Siyempre na hope la par, hope la tayo tatra, kasala zara, sheba waira, ningla, sheba kawaira. Tada, nang sila kay. Everybody house services lay gaya na. Is the rule as a February kakabje. Ishi akalmak chokje. Nakuy milin chok. Ishi miha berapa sabra. Hilang berapa lo? Jika ini usahain ada sini. Mikia ga kihan mai kihan nanti mai terkarsa. Kini jam hi bukan. Ishi berterus kui besar ni jitu. Ada engagement mesti fokus ada ni. Yang program baju zapai makai ba anak tu masa ni usahain bil mira chok. Mira usahain. That's also hospital. Itu mungkin konsep terjadi, ya. Atau tentang itu di Mapur rumah itu, ini di Mapur experience apa ya? Everyone di Mapur ini, setelah itu dari kita event management. Atau tentang ini sangat seksa juga, asyik decoration apa aja, desain ini apa aja. Macam itu, ini hal juga itu di Korea, kita sebenarnya 25 lakhs, ya, 25 lakhs with decor, wedding decor. 이是找并不是那么讲哪些个很重，一个是听听上坡，个这儿意思个生理那个木呀为 feeling 个让是那那个按照 picture 上去，嘻只配那个 OK，25 lakhs 那个想上面，这个生理中理 rose 挺差堂去，挺差堂的 entrance 那我 stage 嘛，那个行你知道那个就是在那个，是你呀你懂一点。25 lakhs buy right? Ada as we average 30 lakhs in Hangzhou. That is the salary. That is also part of hospitality management. At we even hotel management go it hotel management go here is certain many things are buy. Ningla. Under hotel management there are so many fields. Yeah? Hospital management, let's say arena event management is one branch, one sector. Catering, culinary sector later, food and beverage, yeah, everyone, other sommelier, wine, these things, all the wine, we take a service, it will be a cup of yeah, that's the branch of the goal. Jenna, they said it. Okay, second slide, yeah, Jenna, second slide behind me, 2021 link. Okay, in here, south, left, right. Oh, perfect. Check. 2021 mean 49,371 kung Zangala. Tourists, Manipuri. 2022 1,39,500 kung Zangala. Rio, Manipur tourism hub on one Baila. Sunlight Festival, Shirok Festival, yeah? Festival after festival. Tourism sampai MLTR when Chai met toast, yeah, Linkin Park with tribute band Miss India conflict Miss India neighboring states in Manipur MLTR concept sao nói là nàng lên trong ta được yeah, Shanghai festival weekend ayah ini concert nàng lên Hornbill festival chứ mi lạc được chứ là so real mi ya được atau how do we cater to all these tourists? How do we give them good food? Kungli, miyang sa ko ba? A lot of them will be vegetarian. Thako ba vegetarian option later na vegetarian restaurant shora na ba ji? This is all part of hospitality management, yeah. Nhớ kung bông ai đi vào hotel các khám đa đi, đi AC lấy room đi trong này cháu hotel lấy cái how do you provide, how do you survive, yeah. Rồi mi hin, chúng ta ngay chúng mà nói gì? Who knows? Iran này sản xuất rồi, 2020 thì chúng mình sao? 2020 chúng ai chúng nào biết gì đó? Chỉ thấy cái bảo, we need more and more people. Itu tribal nào mình hiểu bảo, cái làm ai làm cái because of our culture, because of our community, the way we've been brought up in hospitality, actually thiam gì đó. We just need training. Nên là, ayah chúng mình bảo zaman zakshina itu men computer science itu men paning kaba apa kusum itu believe in a very community based ya mira ko jam mangsila kishen kai ki mangsila no da zat no tai kai mira ko ai zalone tu na ba itu men ningai ja pero naturally itu men we achieve it lifestyle itu men we're naturally good with hospitality. Thế là ayah trong in hàng gì ra, ayah trong về five star hotel mình cả, nó đi sang những cái trang chứ, bol cái nào, đi recruit sao để đấy, cứ bang, they're naturally good. You just need to train them, yeah. Train them, you become experts. So, career overview in the hospitality management tổng là cái mấy sao bài chứ, but this is just tip of the iceberg. Shaglang ne kudu lene, space lane ne bang thak sangai de lene. Front office management, five star hotel da resan naga, front receptionist ne nik laga, atuni welcome nasa, atuni details ke kui khanghan, ya, jim dera, housekeeping, atuni itu mereka, jo, atau juga apa sana, kalau lagi cint di bawah juga, di pasai saya, becik ada dalam tunggai housekeeping ne juga tapi saya, ya ikut tolong noi blanket ka fold sa ra noi pillow ka smooth sang sa ra noi bedsheet ji ka da mang ni sa ka da sang ra din ma ada table noi table ni glass itu shop face la ka haira ji ka training stuff ni ra ya food and beverage management ada kan ada thang ai da kamang ga za zang ko le ga mi na kamang ga za ya ji ka ni ra event planning sa ka wedding for example DJ Tangkhul Joseph Forum he organized the clay club. He organized officer young scientists, lecturer he did what event management planning event management planning officer online 양 돌아가다가 다 쪽 프로그램 하고 있어. 또 지금 라서 사진 찍나. 그 쿨리 지금 내가 망이다. 이거 뒤마 프레다 내리에다 너 발공으로가 뚜티데스 나 발공하게 나도 보면 감탄하니. 나도 그다음에 지 어떤 자만 회사를 자만 내가 사도 되는 지도. 그 야중에 있어 사실 봐. 이벤트 매니지먼트 컴퍼니에 사실 봐. 야, 저 이시 지오사이언스 프로페셔널 숨쉬어도 살고 샤가 한파 아시라래 지금 시팅 지금 데코르 지금 동나라 삼미에서도 히히히히 하나에 그 회사 내에 봐 아시나 서비스라이서라 꼭 남자 라인 하고 말이라 능나 지금 뭐 그래 망했다 어떤가 저 디레이사이라 야 다나야 데코레이션가 지 이번 단행네 봐 지타 사기 지다 컨퍼런스 하게 이번 단에서 삼이라 na saksagai engagement sage birthday party sage ya oh his farewell party sage oh his house Kato ka even planning na san seri jina. Travel agency. Rui tam dao they tu sana ga naning kuida. Rui na te sare cho Jerusalem trip ba ngai in avoid abu ba ne. Chỉ cho problem này phải anh em. Then Jerusalem trip chế ko. Khi chúng ta xa cái chế ko. Experience này là ticket đã là cho mình thấy passport là xem là thấy visa là xem là thấy nhá. Chỉ đi vào số cái airport đó làm thấy gì là khá hay làm gì là. Cái này agency này gì chứ mà bằng cái cái mong gì mất nó thiếu cái gì. Cái agency begin là plan ra gì rồi mình quên à. Anh plan ra cái all over the world. Bangkok bằng là, ra Middle East bằng Israel bằng Thailand bằng our travel agency na nashi ni kya ka ni phanga ni phao ticket tak mira visa shimira jim shop ko pu wi cho hotel ni ba sang ko hotel na ngali ka ni ka pas na sa kre ko ni thang ba re ni ko za re ta to ma shen ye da ga atni than za ke de travel agency ukul travel agency hawla ka de ka ka ne ne ki travel agency ya in pa ukul bus ki travel agency sa de ni明白，这个真的，去等回来晒啥去吧？西瑞比不年还没加别的，为的嘞，一定他怕嘞，做西瑞比刚开始他那明白明白那他篮子明白明白那可能嘞，一定做完的，是啊，昨天他那边的那些盘，就是那边的，那他是给的，他们是放弃的，可是他呢，所以嘛，为了等这个做西瑞比为expedition，把你要过来听嘛。이 코클리 탄가라 생쇼 이단 코클리 지금 시로네 카피라 파자 자라 지리 시로네 카이엔라 지리 카피라 아니 또만 그 플랜삼이 사식지가 야 미들 중에 까 코클리야 중라 지리 가든에 이 호텔 다 리서치가 코클리 투리스트 미나라 이기지 kom 사와 이기지 야 culinary sector 아스 코클리 자단 함대 자리래 부이데데 그것도 두기도 아사람 다도 샤가시마 야 asal orang dah ni nolai, ni nak tu laser, kecam laser tu lagi. Tapi kecam ini, tang ini ni, cuci laser tu. Kecam naik sahaja lah, tu ni training ni tu kita ada yaru cakap yaru kesiri ni paham ni, ya, hantar memang sah ke tengok apa kuyung, jadi masalah ni tu. Ya, ada kita kasaran itu sampai itu. Ati hospital culinary chef atam sasik jiba kathiam tungli training kathiam binat ni train sami sik jiba thiam naida 5-star hotel dal otsa sara or hili awi on unglaga awi on restaurant ung shopai yang awi on cloud kitchen ung shopai kachiwi information lei thugida nadum hangate jang ser sala pai nadum masaira yuli ba hang milaga daten ko naina sa khui phom mu jangaira ha jangaila yang chisa pai these are the options, okay? Not if you are someone likely that the interest like kai meaning ka hospital management batam go it won't be too hard for you yeah that the hospital management batam go like matam rim jim go like batam re like pare but not as intensive as UPSC preparation not as intensive as competitive exam yang IIT tha vai jim nim kai just basic knowledge mingje tam deira hiba more practical yang communication skills dai dargar sar mili kharjan sagate ai hospital management zangai laga minang hello juga everything is done online application fee ST sa zero bigan to biba 450 rupees yang application fee jena ji exam thara exam ji it's 200 marks exam GK we exam questions on current affairs GK English genre aptitude genre jena I think section thana hai ya online internet sa mangsar ki all India example ji pa sai ga IHM Guwahati IHM Shillong IHM Delhi IHM Kolkata IHM Pune IHM Beirut IHM all over India no ranking of tissue da no preference of tissue da matan ji ya then there's other group welcome group Manipal SRM and there are so many other private universities private colleges privately months I come yeah then examples are like 방학 때 샤브샤브 회사면 제가 private buy but so much more expensive yeah then IHM in the average cost is 50 to 60,000 per semester, which means 6 months. 3 years, yeah? 2 months per year, 2 to 6 semester. Per semester, 50 to 60. IHM pass up, IHM got best institute. Primarily, number in terms of lakhs. Yeah? So, come talk to there. He looks. I don't know. Success stories. Oyo, क्या शायरा oyo इसमें शायरा. क्या oyo शायरा. Founded by Ritesh Agarwal, he's just 30 years old. He started in 2013 when he was 20 years old. He's a billionaire now. World's self-made youngest billionaire after Kylie Jenner. Ritesh Agarwal, yeah? And me, 3.5 monthly revenue, 3.5 million a year, 35 crores per month. Actually, hotel and generate something, yeah? So, in how many examples, short story in 2 minutes, let me sum it up. Ritesh Agarwal here. When he was 17 years old, he loves traveling. So he traveled all over India, backpacking. He only went and stayed in really cheap hotels, yeah, budget hotels. So for 3 years he traveled India. He stayed in about 100 hotels, cheap hotels, and he had the worst experience. Yeah, professionalism. So what he realized, no, in India travel there's no option for good budget hotel. And the realization, hotel. Objective is convert all these cheap hotels, budget hotels into, presentable, decent, at cheap prices. Yeah. So now see his worth is 7,253 crores. I will value it. The hotel billion is a unicorn. Yeah. They have hotels in about 80 countries now. Not only in India. In Malaysia, Thailand, everybody can't afford 5-star hotels. But still, they can't afford 5-star hotels, but they still want a cheap but clean hotel. And that's what Oyo does. Yeah? Tangkhul now, I'll give you one example. IHM graduate she started her career by front office management. Yeah, hotel receptionist, she moved to the hotel, moved up to this. Now, she is the head of marketing of a hotel chain. Her salary is about 1.5 to 2 lakhs per month. Yeah, from so I hear hospitality management, hotel management background go. But now he's in the administrative rank. She doesn't serve people and all of that, but she has to go through that process. Yeah, and now she's the head of marketing of a hotel chain, and she earns 1.5 to 2 lakhs, and she travels the world. Yeah, at the house services low. Give me, yeah. Because of his services, yeah. Wedding planners, outdoor weddings, outdoor weddings, you need decoration. Church, you need decoration, but we don't have the manpower. We don't have the skill set. Generally, let's say 50,000 decor something. You can be the first ones to start something big in Tangkhul, yeah. Yeah. So that is about hospitality management. I don't know like yeah. Remember Tangkhul he itu lah kerja bah Tangkhul gas itu lah kita sadar ya sih pada mana cafe mana restaurant mana sini pembang terus sama pakai macam lah. Remember gas itu senang le gas cafe he kata lagi kopi mana option lagi ya ayah ada yang tamu salah hotel kata dia tapi demi Tangkhul umai macam lah. Why? Because of hospitality, because of hospitality management, because of tourism management. Kalau kita sadar without proper training, sahaja cuma itu tadi. Yang kita passion mana, yang sahaja cuma itu tadi. Cuma kita nak Arui hospitality management is some actually idea like that. What I want to tell you is that scope here, can later later. Ukul is untapped. Potential is there. Yeah? Because trains are having village. Arui hotel runs out of the clinic. If one Saturday, if you say, drop your meaning, village. Yeah? That's another attempt to make some trains are. Hotel management Tangkhul công được chỉ ba cứng lên gì, nó thực là bà Tangkhul công zig chỉ bảo, what thằng hai cái thế, yeah. Cái hotel management là gì? Not only you, as example, I think you can be your own boss with the training that you have, yeah. You can also start your own event management. In other company, here geoscience from me, conference á cái gì nó bị company là gì, còn sao bị application sao bị city lighting, one of the thằng gì, yeah. Catering, free catering sao đấy, nhưng mà nhưng mà sponsor đó thì serve sang cái sản phẩm đi vay cái gì đó, hospital management chỉ sao phải serve được, so cái scope gì, thằng cái này là cái gì, so if you are the one to be quality, I manage hospitality sao cái linh sao cái bộ, là cái hospital sao cái linh gì, cái nó thiam gì, exam pass ra cái gì, IS làm sao cái gì, engineer làm sao cái gì, hospital management sai cái công xã, sao rồi đó, nhưng mà cái đó là lại thế là ai bảo, exam mà thằng ai bảo, itu I believe in myself, I have potential, you are IIT but right, doctor sao ai thì sao ai chứ bảo, go for it, nhưng mà cái chuyện này chỉ là, lại show cái gì mà đi bảo thì hay, chỉ là gì đó sao cái ai bảo engineer sao IS sao design sao công xã chứ. So these are options. As we option other way career, we're giving you options. Hisalo jimnim go. Ka hila sapai option hilay. Hisapai ko. Hisangay ka hilasagi jiko. Yang then hitam ko ka hi sapai ko. Kachi we're showing you the way. We're showing you the picture. It's up to you. Not to me generally the extroverted misa sa ka milingan ka thay. Yang migitong anang songay ji. Yang if you are one of those person, this is also one sector that you can think about. Hikta mi ne wo miling hante miling sunang sa ne lai gampang ai dham ne jega think hospitality management could be one option for you, yeah. Then actually that deliver that kathikring light pagi jemnim lai ba para ka kathikring ka pagi jemnim na no what ka sai themai ka ba, yeah. You can keep getting promoted 5-star hotel with general manager sa bai to experience na ukuli ung la no on hotel ung shoi bai, yeah. And then hili ung la ka military ung sa bai. You can become an entrepreneur, yeah. If you are someone, hello, hi, like you are milling hangai jim sai ko chilam. No personality le pop up lungi ji, yeah. Because hospitality management jega you'll have to meet and talk to a lot of people all the time, and mingwa de mili kerjansa la ko mikali kerjansa chot kai, mili pangarjansa sa la chot meng to kai na umpi di kai, yeah. Jita mingwa de. If you are that kind of a person, maybe hospitality management is not for you. Yeah, I could be wrong, but I'm just giving a general picture. Yeah, so these are the options. Atam dai re, you itam lu kupsangai re. As a 25 minutes ili kami kupsangai re. So I want to repeat again. Then hotel management tamai ka. Oh, one option. IHM la All India exam ka pass msa ramul pai je ka ba. Even in Imphal, SIHM the layer State Institute of Hotel Management. Chiliba na without exam admission sang sa laga sai pai. Same IHM with standard go, but it's just run by state, yang. So State Institute of Hotel Management Imphal akale SIHM. Chilila admission sa gui pai. They guarantee 100% placement. Na najitam kuya ka 100% placement in 5-star hotels across India. Yeah. So that is also one option. Then ayam shungaim ne mashokram rai Imphal tam ngai jega State Institute of Hotel Management in Imphal re. Ai ba ya shok tam ngai jega ba IHM we exam
yang NCHM exam thara exam date is on 14th 3 hours yang chili April 27 5 p.m. the last date of application. Think about it. Class 12 tam dak leibing yang next kisanik le da ewe doctor lam sangam ne engineer lam sangam ne kisanik lem dem ne de le dak leibing je. You can consider this yang ka extrovert exabing je. So ask my question like chilling han kan house yo. So thank you for your time. 25 minutes. All the best.